Volcano. Alive. Camaro, fiery new creation from Chevrolet. Camaro, the new car that's something else, something you've never seen before in a driving machine. This is the SS350 with rally sport equipment, wicked black grille, and a fuselage that bulges around its 350 cubic inch V8 engine. Shaped for action, all the way back to its sporty rear deck. Taut springs and shock. Wide big car stance for road-hugging stability. Camaro SS350, broad rally stripes circling the front. New safety features are standard equipment. Among them, the new GM-developed energy-absorbing steering column. Backseat up, backseat down. You can order yours with special instrumentation, too. Camaro in coupe or convertible, add whatever you can handle. Like hideaway headlights, big car engine. Camaro, lean and molten. Camaro, at your Chevrolet dealers now.